We screamed when we saw salad stop.
Dapat kasi mag-Shake Shack kami. So sabi namin kasi walang salad stop. So Shake Shack na lang. Tapos nung papunta na kami dito, literal magkatabi yung Shake Shack at saka salad stop.
It's meant to be.
Oh yes. Tapos kanina may ipis pa na malaki.
Kinakabot niya si Angel.
Girl, this is so good.
Again.
And
Out again.
what series is this? Adulting.
Yeah, this is our adulting series.
AKA mag-ubos ng pera.
Yeah, AKA looking for furniture again. Oh my God. Lagi na lang kami yung bilang sa... Sabihin nga eh. I just wanna see the price range. Kasi sabi ni Mom, sobrang dead set ko na daw sa IKEA. Which is true. Pero sabi niya, magtingin din daw ako. Baka naman may mahanap akong per doon. You see this face?
Sobrang focus yan siya.
Sorry. Ang dami kasing work.
Hindi nga ako makapagtrabaho kasi of my room. I can't film, bro.
She is stressed. Ganyan, nakaganyan.
Grade 9? Picturean.
Tingin. Ayan na. Dito.
So it's been a while since I vlogged, and I'm so sorry for that. But today is a very busy day kasi on top of all the studying, I have to go out for errands, and it's not it. Short interruption lang with my room renovation kasi hindi pa ako nakakabili ng like all the remaining stuff that I need for my room. So I'm going to IKEA next week. I'll also vlog that, and I'll buy like a new tabletop, another Alex drawer, and as you can see, hindi ko ma-video kasi babaliktarin ko pa yan because I broke it. I broke my shelf. These are my brushes. I bought a new set of brushes. This is the Marge X Happy Skin brushes, and I chose yung 3 pieces muna kasi the other 3, I don't think I need them naman. If I need them, I'm gonna buy them. Pero right now kasi I don't need them. Anyway, and then I also got this at the TikTok shop. This is just 52 pesos. And the reason why I bought this kasi is for this one. For this brush. So I can use it for my... I'm gonna do my makeup. First, my makeup for everyday and for... What do you call this? For like events. It's kinda same lang. Because I like what I like. I don't like deviating from that. Kasi whenever I deviate from what I already enjoy or what already works for me, mas hindi ko nagugustuhan yung outcome. So I'm just gonna start with moisturizer. You guys are gonna hate me for this, pero I rarely use sunscreen kasi I always forget. I think I spend more time doing my hair than doing my makeup. Na-time ko na yun multiple times, and every time, laging 10 minutes. And then, I'm gonna have my passport renewal soon, which is kind of nerve-wracking for me. Not because kinakabahan ako sa passport, but because I have to remove all my piercings. I have to remove all the earrings. I don't know if I can still keep the flat pack in my ear, pero I would have to remove all the studs. And also, I just want to show you guys this new tumbler that I got from Hydro Flask. So, I was planning on buying the small one, yung ganyan lang kaliit. Kasi it's so cute, pero at the same time, sobrang wala na ako mainom nun. Parang for decoration na lang talaga siya. I have this thing. Whenever I see something small, like, I'm a sucker for small shit. Kahit hindi ko siya kailangan, bibilin ko siya kasi maliit siya, kasi cute yung size. So, I was choosing between that and this one. Pero ito kasi mas practical. So, if I'm gonna buy something, might as well be useful, right? My favorite match and match. This is where I put all my everyday makeup talaga. Despite the size, you would think na onti lang malalaman, pero ang dami talaga, I swear. So, for my makeup routine, I decided to switch it up. Before kasi I was using this lang alone for my whole face. And also, I finished it. I've hit the bottom already. So, if I'm gonna repurchase, maybe a lighter shade. Anyway, I stopped using the NARS one for my under eyes kasi it can be drying. Akala ko it's a skill issue, but apparently, ganun talaga pag NARS. So, I'm gonna use this Absolute concealer in the shade 1.5W for my under eyes and the crease of my nose. And then some blemishes in the middle of my face, like my veins. I don't know if you guys see it. But yeah. Because I like to blend the excess into my hairline para mas seamless. Next, for blush, I get these. This is my perfect blush shade. This is from... Ayan, nag-load. This is from Rare Beauty. And every time I have a new blush, I keep going back to this. Now, for blush. And also, this is like a similar shade. Yep, that's basically my makeup routine. So now I'm gonna do my hair, and then I'm gonna leave. Alexa, play Spotify. Traitor to si Alexa. Nag-alarm ako, hindi siya nag-alarm. So bright.
Right.
Hi everyone. So we're at Jamba Juice.
The Air One Hailey Bieber dupe.
Dupe?
Kaka-TikTok natin.
Tapos guys, ang in-order ko, 16 ounce. Tapos sa kanya, 22. Tapos same lang kami ng...
At may sobra pa. Sabi ko sa kanya,
Dapat 16 na lang yung in-order.
actually, sabi kasi nila sa TikTok eh. Aesthetic ba kapag ginana natin sa to?
Tingnan natin. Yung thumbnail.
Sige. Pang ano, no talking.
Hindi ko kakat yan
Pero nandun sa taas yung coconut whip niya eh.
Okay. Wala pa talaga.
Guys, for context, hindi naman namin alam kung ano yung lasa ng Erewhon Hailey Bieber drink na yun.
Parang hindi siya nagme-mix kasi iba yung consistency niya lang dalawa.
O, diba? Parang naka-free upsize na din siya.
Ay! Tumatagos siya.
Actually, alam mo ba, may free upsize ka, ipapakita mo lang yung AF card mo.
Ah, talaga?
Yeah.
Yung key fob?
Oo.
Kahit hindi na ako nag-judge.
May free upsize kapag pinakita mo sa kanila na nag-run ka ng 5km.
Ayun, alam ko. Pati sa ano yun? Yung pizza na masarap. Jabronis. Pag nag-run ka ng 5K,
May
free ups, may buy one take one ka. Buy one take one ba or upside? Hindi, buy one take one yan.
I need to start working out. Kaya mo siya gusto kasi strawberry lang siya.
Also guys, fun fact, nag-crash out ako kanina. Nag-crash out ako kasi naiwan ko yung tumbler ko sa GSM. Tapos tinawagan ko si kuya. Sabi niya wala na daw doon. Wala daw doon. Either nagsisinungaling siya or kinuha nung after, yung sakay after. Kasi sabi niya after daw namin may sakay siya, may pumarang sa kanya. So bumili ulit ako.
Crashed out so bad, bumili siya ng bago kaagad.
Literal, this is the exact same tumbler. Na nawala
And you
ko.
know what, guys? Sabi ko sa kanya, sure ka, bibilin mo, kailangan mo na ba yan? Pagkabili niya, mayroon pa siyang additional discount.
Oh,
20% ba yan?
From 1,890 to 1,512.
Slay!
So, in favor sa akin, sabi ko kasi kanina, Lord, pwede bang wag ngayon? Kakakuha pa lang ng ano ko.
Pwedeng ako din. Pwedeng Lord. Pwedeng huwag ngayon. Pero wala eh.
Wala.
Sabi niya, ayan na hindi ka pumunta ng simbahan.
Guys, kasi itong bag ko, hindi na to ma-restrict sa TikTok kasi na-restrict. May, slot siya dito for tumbler talaga.
Sakto lang.
Oo. Ayan.
Sakto lang.
So, may slot siya dito. For the tumbler. Oo, nga pala. Guys, nag-photo booth kami.
Oh yes, ni-recreate namin yung i-insert mo dito yung kay... Okay, ako na mag-aak.
Hindi ako pwede maging surgeon talaga. Now we know. Okay, OB talaga.
Anyway guys, i-insert mo dito. Tuk! Ni-recreate namin yung photo ni Kylie Jenner and Kendall Jenner. Tapos itong dalawang to, emerald na lang yun sa Pinterest.
Guys, to be honest, ito yung favorite ko.
Kasi nagka-crash out siya nun eh. Before pa kaming dalawa yung
Sabi
nagka-crash
ko.
out.
Parang ito na yung rage room ko. Wait lang, wala pa tayong song doon sa isa story natin.
Ayaw nga pala. Guys, comment down below. Comment down below.
Pagka-upload ko talaga nito, na-upload ko na yung story natin.
Anyway,
Kailan ko may
comment
edit
down.
to?
Hindi kasi. Ang sasabihin ko, comment down below what's the best Drake song in his new album for you.
Which album? Yun din, which album is the best?
Which album and which song? Ayan. If nanonood talaga kayo, if natatapos niyo talaga yung videos ni Angel, mag-comment kayo.
Alam niyo ba?
Like, share, and subscribe also.
Alam mo ba, sinasabi na ginagamit daw na yung mga vlogs ko as background noise. Pati yung mga live ko. Hindi ko alam kung ma-open ba ako or what. Am I just noise to you guys?
Guys, alam niyo ba yung vlog, yung first ever vlog niya? Yun yung pinanood ko kasi hindi ko siya pinapansin nung time na yun. Tapos sabi ko, what is this girl up to in her life?
Guys, 1 year anniversary na din yung away namin.
Oh my God, nalaman ba? Pero nangyari yun like April first week.
Oo, mga ganun.
Ah, okay. So, 1 year na nga.
Hindi first week, mga gitna.
No, mga second week of April. Kasi
Gitna nga. Ayaw mo pa ng gitna. Ano eh.
that should be
Ay, hindi ko na pwede.
going to Bangkok or whatever.
Okay.
Oh, pwede rin yun. Pumunta ako sa Bangkok.
Eh, pero kasi, masyado na madaming details. Parang alam na nila sino to. Guess that Pokemon. Ng vlog.